Hey trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you will find the most profitable and straightforward strategies for trading binary options. You will also learn some trading types, and if you're new in trading and think that you're not gonna handle it, then you're totally wrong, because my approach and trading strategy are easy to learn even for beginners. Because my approach and trading strategies are easy to learn even for beginners, watch this video till the end and see for yourself, guys. So we are not gonna drag this out, and let's begin our trading session. Today we got a little more than 100 bucks on the balance. We trade on 1 minute time frame for the maximum deposit amount. Let's pick the indicators for today. It's gonna be the Keltner Channel and Stochastic. That's pretty simple. We set the period to 20 on the Stochastic, and we set the overbought zone to 70 and the oversold zone to 30. Try the setup in your own trading. Everything is super simple. You will learn the strategy and will be able to make good money by the end of this video, guys. So take notes, open the charts and trade with me, guys. Let's get down to trading and start analyzing and find the most profitable payout rate and choose a better trade entry. So I don't want to open here so far, but I think we should open a short position here. I'll point out the workspace. Take a look, guys, at the downward dynamics take place and the updating of the local low has happened here. Then there were some bullish moments, very good pullbacks while having this downtrend. We should consider the Stochastic in the oversold zone right now. So we play ahead of the market and we're expecting the reversal in the short term. So let's watch, guys. There are 30 seconds left before the closing. There is nothing to worry about. The price is gonna hold here a little and the breakdown should happen in the end, because this massive correction should be over now. And let's watch and take a look, guys. Exactly as I planned, the breakdown has seemingly happened on the last second, exactly as I predicted. And let's update the trade amount. So let's continue analyzing and find the next currency pair. We are looking for the most profitable payout rate. So here we see the updating of the local high, and let's open a short position here. Everything is simple. Let me clarify the trade entry. We see that the flat took place here and there was a huge pump from this local low, very strong upward dynamics. The local high has been updated here, and then this correction. So the correction should be more or less equal to the pump, because the price previously rocketed up. We see the same picture on the Stochastic, very strong upward dynamics then tell us that the price is likely to go down. That's why we opened the short position here, and there are around 5 seconds, 10 seconds left before the closing. And our position has been closed in profits, guys. There are almost 400 bucks on the balance. There is no stopping here. Let's keep it going. Let's continue the trading session and find another currency pair. We are interested in the highest payout rate. I guess there is a good trade entry here, and let's open a long position. I'll point out the workspace. First of all, we take a look at the stochastic. We understand that the upward dynamics dominates here, and we play ahead of the market again. We understand that this is clear uptrend. The updating of the local high took place here, and then a strong correction followed up. The price broke the Keltner channel down here, and then there was a small pullback to the upside. Now the price is retesting the Keltner channel, and it's gonna enter this channel after all and continue going up in the near future. That's why we open the long position. We can also point out the candle has a long shadow, which is basically a bullish signal. Our position had been closed with 0. It's okay, no big deal. Let's open another one right now. The principle is exactly the same here. Absolutely identical explanation, but here we have an extra signal. I mean, this red candle, it has long shadows on both ends, which enhance our signal for opening a long. We can also point out the upper zone here. The price hit 3 times, and we're expecting another rebound. As you can see, the breakout has gained moments. It's quite simple. In the previous long position, the candle opportunity went down in the end, but anyway, we didn't lose anything. There was a mistiming. And basically, our position hadn't closed with a profit, guys. So if you have a similar situation, you should always open additional position, use the martingale strategy. And in this way, you will always be in profits. So don't worry, and let's continue our trading session. Find the next currency pair. I see a potential correction here. So let me explain the principle of the trade entry. We understand that the stochastic just flashed the signal, so here it was, but it didn't go lower. Instead, we went to the upside, and the price is holding at this level. A downward dynamics is required here. We can also notice that the candle has a long shadow. It tells us that the price should go lower following the trend, and the pullback should be over. So that's why we opened the long position here. We opened ahead of the market because the stochastic hasn't crossed this line yet, but we see it coming. And look, the breakdown is happening at around 5 seconds left before the closing. And our position has been closed with a profit. Also, it was closed, the price recovered to the upside a little bit, but anyway, we should open extra position if we ended up with 0. So we could lose here. The first case scenario was to end up with 0, so we can see the price is going down. Let's refresh the page and carry on analyzing and find the next currency pair. We are interested in the highest payout rate. Like here, there we go. Let's open a short position right away. We very good trade entry, guys. We play ahead of the market. We see that the moon coverage on the stochastic doesn't cross this line and stays in the overbought zone, so we can assume that the price should go lower. The downward dynamics took place here, and now we can observe the same. We can identify the zone as a correction after this updating of the local low, and the price is very likely to continue its downward movements. As simple as that, guys. We are playing ahead of the market. We are gonna expect the breakout at the end, and our position should be in profit, guys. So there is nothing to be afraid. Price is near the trade entry level, so look, the breakdown seems to be happening. There are 2 seconds left and our position in profit. There was nothing complicated. Let's update the trade amount. We've forgotten to do that the last time, it's always fine. Take a look at this pullback. We are gonna play this out and open a short position here. We've missed the timing a little, but it's fine anyway. It's better to open at this level. The downward dynamics takes place here. The crossing on the stochastic has happened, and this correction should be over by now, and the price should go down, because we consider this zone as a correction and basically everything should be fine here, and our position should end up in profits. We are playing ahead of the market and the breakdown should happen at the end. There are around 20 seconds left before the closing. And let's watch, guys. And yep, our short position hadn't closed with the profit, perfectly calculated. So exactly as I predicted, we played ahead of the market and our position hadn't closed with the profit. Let's find another counter pair. So we are looking for the most profitable payout rate. And let's open two long position here. We should stick to the technical analysis here. I kept this counter pair on purpose. If you look at the stochastic, the moving average is almost at the top and this correction reached the 70 zone here. There was strong upward dynamics and after the correction the price should continue going upwards. If you look at the dynamics, the price goes up is a rule. Now it's not gonna be an exception. There are around 25 seconds left before the closing. I want to point out low volatility here, so this correct trade entry, we already have a nice breakout. The local high should be updated. Meanwhile, another position had been closed with profits. Guys, let's continue our trading session and find another counter pair. And let's move back here. And open a few more positions on this counter pair. I'll point out the workspace. So, absolutely the same trade entry as the previous one, but here we observe the double bottom pattern and this candle has a long shadow which is bullish signal, so and we are gonna expect the breakout to the upside. And we open a long position here following the uptrend and a good breakout is happening now. That was really easy. We understand that strong upward dynamics dominates here. And our position had been closed in profits. We already got $8,000 on the balance, and let's open final position in order to consolidate our gains, and then I'll be happy with the profit. So let's find another counter pair. We need the highest payout rate. And let's open, let's tap on this one gain and open 8 long position. I'll tell you a secret, guys. The principle of this trade entry is absolutely the same, the third position in a row. So we open long position here every time. The updating on the local high is gonna happen in the near future here. That's why we understand that the price should go up. And I'm sure that we are not gonna lose here because this is a very simple trade entry. I'll zoom in. to make it more clear for you guys, because this is a very simple trade entry, I'm gonna mention one more time that a strong upward dynamics take place here. Meanwhile, we see this low volatility candle, so the upward dynamics has been forming step by step. So if there was strong impulse, the price would have go into correction long ago, but we don't see this impulse and our position are in profit, guys. So we succeed for the third time in a row, and I'm glad to see $15,000 on the balance, guys. And let's move on to the withdrawal. Let's withdraw $10,000, guys. Press the continue button. And our transaction has been processed. I'll touch the screen where it's done as usual. And that's what we've managed to earn today. Absolutely straightforward strategy. I also told you this little secret. So you can see that the price went to the upside here exactly as I told you. And after the updating of this local high, the price will finally go down, but it doesn't really matter, guys. And this is where we stop for today. Let's finish our trading session. Thank you for being here. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.